Hello everyone and welcome to the 2019 Goodwood Festival of Speed. By far, possibly the most exciting car event of the calendar. And I'm going to show you around and show you some of the best cars. We're actually going to do walkarounds this year and we're going to do passenger rides. So apologies to you regular punters for the sideways action. We're keeping it a little bit PG this time. Anyway, let's crack on. Right then, so behind me we have the new long-awaited Mercedes A45 AMG S, or AMG A45 S. Now, big major changes. The last A45 was an absolute riot, 380 horsepower. This car here has 420. It's got an all-new engine and it's the most powerful 2-litre production motor that you will find. It's also got clever 4-wheel drive. It's got the AMG 4MATIC Plus, so it also has a drift function, but it doesn't behave like you would find in the Mercedes E63 S AMG. No, this one behaves a little bit like the Mark III Ford Focus RS. It can send power to any given wheel, but it can send it to one given wheel at a time, so it can sort of do some rotation. It's also got different driver mode settings, and it does 0 to 60 in the best part of 3.7 seconds and a limited top speed of 174 miles an hour. Now, we have the Merc A35 AMG, which is sort of the halfway house of the AMG range, and now we have the A45 S, and we have a hyper hatch now, people, that does 0 to 60 in 3.7 seconds. It's just absolutely insane. Inside, you get all the clever stuff like you get from an A-Class as well too. In terms of styling tweaks, it's not a drastic change like you would find from the A35. There's a couple of styling tweaks here and there, and you've got some aero fins to help with the added extra performance. Personally, I think it looks really, really, really cool, and I'm also glad the fact that it has a drift function as well too. So, the baby hyper hatch Mercedes A45 can also go sideways. It's part of the AMG family tree, and for me, I'm happy to drive one. Please, can I drive a Mercedes-Benz?